So let's put another spotlight on another beautiful native flowering plant. This is the Spiderwort, and it has these beautiful purple flowers that attract many pollinators to it. It is not a picky plant, although it prefers, you can plant it on the shade or in the sun. I've been having it on the shade on a mostly wet soil, so that's great for those places in our Florida yard that gets a lot of water. It grows about 1 to 2 feet tall, so it's not that huge, and it's just beautiful. And one interesting thing is that we had this cold front that came and destroyed a lot of the plants, even flowering plants, but this one didn't even care, and it doesn't mind also the wet summer, hot summer heat. One thing of caution, if you're not into plants that are a little aggressive, this one, I don't call it aggressive, I call it happy givers. So if you don't manage it, it will start to pop out in different places, mostly close by, like I show you an example right here. But they're not hard to get rid of, and if I don't want them, I just go around and eliminate it. So pretty easy. But again, didn't mind the cold. I still had some flowering plants for the bees, and there's a bee right there by it, as you can see. Great example. So if you want another beauty added to your yard, it's a clustery plant, as you can see. It's easy also to just cut it back in the summer, and you pop right up again. And that's what I do. I cut it back, and you can see that it's nice and full now. But if you want another beautiful addition to your native garden, Florida friendly garden, this is the one to go. I hope you guys have a good day.